Is your Vauxhall Vivaro's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door contacts and bonnet switch. Door contacts are located in the door jambs and trigger the alarm if they don't make proper contact when the door is closed. The bonnet switch, located under the hood, does the same if the hood is opened without the key. Visually inspect these for damage or buildup. Clean the contacts with a cloth and ensure the bonnet switch moves freely. A misaligned switch can also cause issues, so try adjusting its position slightly. These simple checks can often resolve the problem without needing professional help. If cleaning sensors doesn't work, reset the alarm system. Cycle the ignition or use the key fob's lock-unlock buttons in a specific sequence. Consult your owner's manual for exact steps. If the problem persists, use a diagnostic tool like an OBD2 scanner to read error codes, such as B1640, which indicates specific issues in the alarm circuit. For more complex problems, software updates through Stellantis diagnostic tools, done by a professional, might be necessary. Remember that moisture is a common enemy, especially in rainy climates. For long-term prevention, apply dielectric grease to the contacts to prevent corrosion. If you are under warranty, consider contacting a dealer. Regular checks of these sensors every 6 months are recommended as preventative maintenance.